What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another little video. So today I'm gonna do a little upgrade to the interior on the inside of the Buick. That's right. I mean, what's in there right now? It's clean, but you want to keep it protected. From all the dirt. People sit down with something in the back of their pants, whatever, something, like a pen or something. It might stain your interior up. So me and the wifey, we decided to get some seat covers for the car. So I'm about to unbox them and see what they look like. All right, pretty big box, I'll tell you that. Set this camera up here. Turn it around. All right, let's see what we get. Okay, I can tell right off the bat, it don't look too bad. All right, let me get my knife. Let's see what we can do. See what we're working with here. Okay, so these look like some little pillows right here. Hmm. A little smaller one. That looks like something to go up toward the heaterist or something. Okay, got a lot of little pieces. I don't know what everything is for, but okay, y'all. So this is everything out of that pack. Not a bad looking seat cover. From my understanding, I think this here you can do the front along with the back also. So I'm thinking these right here are pretty much for the front. And this right here is Tell us like driver side, passenger side, whichever. Okay. Thinking this must be like a bottom seat cover or something. Not too sure. So got two of everything. I don't know what this is. Trust and believe. I'll find out. Got another little padding right here. Here's another padding. And some more. So it's not a bad looking design at all, to be honest with you. It's a lot of pieces. But hey, I'm gonna figure it out though. See where everything go. Tell me what y'all think about the design. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I finish the car. Okay, everybody. I'm finally finished with the seats. So y'all ready to see what the Buick looked like on the inside? Pretty much took it from a plain Jana to looking cleaner. Put it like that. So y'all ready? Let me go ahead and show y'all. There we go. The new car covers on there. Alright, that's the front. Show y'all the back. So there's the back. Yep, don't look too bad. Don't look too bad at all, man. Try to coordinate a little bit, with the rest of the car. Y'all see it. Yep, don't look too bad. Kind of gives the car another look on the inside. Show you from the other side, yeah. See it? Not bad looking seats. There we go. So not like I said before, not bad looking car covers though, compared to, some others, I done seen. You know? Not bad, not bad. So yep, that's how it came out. The only thing about this is, it has a little air because the way this seat kind of dips pretty much, but I guess over time it'll straighten up. But yeah, that's it. Let me show you the back one more time. And the front. This pretty much was the choice because, see, this is the original here. It has like that suede, whatever type, and we didn't want that to get too dirty or anything. So, pretty much, want to take care of that. So I don't have to worry about no super duper cleaning on it. But yep, that is it. Kind of makes it stand out a little bit up in here now. See, y'all can barely see light in here. You know, it is kind of dark. You can tell by the windows. Yeah, that window is up. All of them. Just a little darky, that's all. Yep. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. Comment below and tell me. Not bad at all. So, yep, I am done with that. And like I said, the main idea for getting those covers, like I said, for to protect that suede material that's up in there. Because y'all know, as I know, that suede material, it don't take much for that to get dirty. So we pretty much want to try to preserve, much as we could, keep it clean. So I am done with this one. As I always say, look, on to the next project. And I want to thank all my subscribers out there that support your boy. Hey, appreciate it a whole lot. So this DJ Ron the Mechanic, I'm out. Y'all have a good one.